Experience the easiness of insertion with the new push-in installation terminal block from Phoenix Contact. You can insert solid and stranded conductors with a cross-section from 0.34 mm squared easily using 50% less force and without using any tools. The built-in latch enables fully insulated releasing with any tool. You can make secure contact with the neutral bus bar with the help of snap-in disconnect slides with status display. Implement a three-phase system within a terminal strip with double bridge shafts. Easily viewable marking areas and test connections to every terminal point ensure easy and convenient servicing. Installation terminal blocks with push-in connection method from Phoenix Contact.